ba guys? So today, hindi ko na talaga alam, July something na. So, we finish shower, breakfast, change. We're going out. We're going for another mall. Shopping. Si Busing nag-book ng Grab. Kasi kung more sa amin yung Grab kaysa guys sa train, kasi hindi siya basta mas easy pa from point A to point B diretso. Kasi kung mag-train ka tapos pupunta ka sa ibang ang daming stop tapos maglakad pa tapos ganito ganyan. So it's I forgot to this. So ayan. Buti na diretso na lang. Car, taxi, Grab. How much you pay for this one? We're going...
270.
Okay.
Oh.
270 baht from Hyatt... Premium car. From Hyatt Regency to Icon Siam Mall. Kung saan si Busing kumain ng crocodile. There's a crocodile there.
3 minutes.
Huh? 3 minutes? It's okay.
Where's crocodile?
It's a crocodile mall. It's a crocodile. My body. I like Busing how picture me now because to make it 0.1, like make it longer, skinnier.
Icon Siam?
Dito na kami. Icon Siam. Dito na kami guys. Andito na kami guys. Liliko na lang. Entrance. Picture tayo dito ni Busing. On entrance, meron silang paganito. So, dito na naman tayo sa parang food court ba nila ito dito? I think may ganap. Where we gonna have the lunch?
No idea.
The elephant. I don't know. Fruits. Konti lang video ko, oy. Daming ka. Crocodile. Ayan. So guys, hindi na lang kami dito kakain.
Steps, we're going to go stairs up here.
Yeah. Konting video na lang.
ยังไม่รู้เนี่ยบอดแล้วบอด
Ganap na lang kami sa taas. Mahirap dito eh. Ay, para sa akin ba? Mas gusto namin yung mag-sit down na lang. So, escalator kami pataas. Paakyat. Mas nahirapan kasi kami ni Busing mag-lunch dito. Kasi maghanap ka ng food, maghanap ka ng area ng kakainan, tapos ayan, doon na lang sa mag-order tayo, maghanap kami sa taas. We're gonna try this one guys, bumaba kami ulit. Gusto namin yung sit down lang ba? So, bumili kami sa 7-Eleven ng drinks. Ayun kay Busing. Ito, hindi ko alam guys kung magkano ito. Rice. Ito yung sa akin. Ang liit. Itong pork na to with yung sticky rice. Paano kay kayo?
Huh?
Oh, chicken pala. Yan kay Busing. I think this is pork and pork. Yeah. Nag-order pala ako ng mango sticky rice.
Go back to what it used to be.
$100 ito. Diba parang namurahan ako sa iba ba? Minsan mahal. Kadalasan mahal. So what do you think of the food? The food is alright.
You know what? A little bit greasy.
Yeah. Okay lang yung food doon. Tamang-tama lang. May nabili ako dito banda guys. Dito kami banda sa front ng Uniqlo. So guys, nakatry talaga kami dito sa After You. Ayan siya. And matagal. Ay, hindi siya. Naka-queue kami ba? Pero nakakuha niya kita ko sa inyo mamaya. Last year, gusto ko itong itry pero sobrang busy, walang time. Meron naman ito sa Terminal 21 pero andito kasi kami sa Icon Science so ito try na ko na lang. Order ko cappuccino na lang. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong maiinom ba. Busy man god. Ewan ko, tubig nila yan. So we're leaving Icon Science guys. Since it's a rush hour, 400 baht. 400? 400, right? 400?
Yeah.
410 ba? Rush hour kasi. So guys, nung bumaba kami sa taxi, mga 15 minutes away sa hotel. Pero yung traffic, mga 1 hour pa siguro. Kaya, or inaccurate naman. Basta, mas malala yung traffic. Kaya, since malapit lang naman, walk na lang kami. Kaya, yung sasakyan namin, nasa Ulahi, nasa malayo na guys. Malapit lang kami dito. Pero yung traffic, hindi talaga pwede. Kaya, lakad na lang, lakad. Walking. So, we're back sa hotel. Nilakad namin is 15 minutes. Madali lang. Very short lang. Pero I think yung car nandoon pa din. Ang natulog. No. Yung car guys, nandoon pa yun siguro. Mga, sabihin natin mga 1 hour pa. I would say for 1 hour. The traffic of Thailand. Maybe, in-exaggerate ko naman yung 1 hour. Basta, more pa. So, better na nag-walk. So guys, doon sa after you, nag-order ako ng dessert. Tapos cappuccino. Alam niyo ba yung pinansyo lang ng is cappuccino, 2 cappuccino. Hindi ina-order yung dessert. Ang tagal namin doon, nagantay. Tapos na-worry na ako ba kasi ang tagal. Kasi yung traffic. Buti tinignan ni Wusing kung anong order ko. Kaya pala hindi dumating. Hindi pala in-order na kumbaga hindi ng pinanch ng tinik yung order ko na dessert. Kaya, ayun. Natagalan tuloy kami. Yun ang rason kaya wala akong video sa Sabi ko pa din naman na sana hindi na nag-down muna ako sana kumain. Kasi meron naman dito sa Terminal 21. So, nagantay kami doon sa wala. Yung cappuccino, palapit na maubos. Sabi ko, ang tagal naman. Hindi din kami nagtanong. Mga few minutes na, ayun, tingnan ni Busing. Hindi pala nag-order ng dessert. So, ayan. Andito nga kami nag-chillax lang. Kasi ang init, sticky banos. Ayun, nag-half bath lang. Ayan, mag-ready na kami papunta sa dinner. Nainis talaga ako. Ang ginantay naman yung dessert, wala pala. Tagal lang. I'm annoyed about that one because I said, that's why we're there. Why would I get a cappuccino only there?
Because I don't know why I thought you'd ordered it, yeah?
Yeah.
Because then I thought you'd ate it.
Yeah.
But then they were sitting there and I'm thinking, when you then said you didn't get it yet, I'm thinking, what?
Yeah.
That's why I said, well, where's your ticket? See what time you ordered it.
I know.
You didn't.
But people would go there because they were known for their dessert, like that, something like that. So I expect that. 225 for 2 cappuccino?
250.
250? 125 each.
So about 100 and...
How much?
Well, 125 each, yeah, but in our money, about 15 dirham a cup.
15 dirhams? Yeah, talagang nagantay kami. So. At saka ito, hindi ko siya talaga nakain ng everyday kasi madaming pagkain dito ba. At saka, ayan, nasan yung Thailand? Thailand is nauna nating nakain. Ito. I mean, same flavor siguro ito, no? Hindi ko pa siya talaga din na-open. And I try maybe the next few days. Charot! Kung hindi natin makain, gusto ko siyang dalhin. So, I think it's gonna be a short video today kasi gala-gala lang tayo doon sa Kasi pag ano ba, pag ano ko lagay yung hair ko, lahat ng ano, parang napaka-round ng hair ko. So, anyway, I think it's a short video lang today kasi nandoon tayo, nagpunta lang tayo ng Icon Siam, basta, same ang yun. So, yun na yung vlog for today guys. If you're watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye!